Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here to share with you a quick tip number two, and it's just a really quick way if you have some stamping pads to make a background, a cloud background just like this. And I'm sorry it doesn't show up better. Let me get a I think it helps when I back it. Does it? Anyway, you can kind of see it, but it does make like a cloudy background, and so I'm gonna show you that today. It's really quick. You just need some stamp pads in some blue shades that you would like that resembles sky-like, and then I got this little blending brush. I think it's a makeup something from the Dollar Tree, and just whatever cardstock paper you want to do it on. So here we go. So I have my Dollar Tree brush that I'm using here, blending brush. I have a 3 1/4 by 5 piece of white paper, and I have some soft sky from Stamping Up. And I just rub it in the stamp pad and I start off the card. And this is the lighter of the two. So I just want to like take the off-white off of the page, maybe not so. So I'm just blending it. However, no rhyme or reason. It's so light, see? And you can see some of the brush strokes, maybe the circles. It gives like a cloud effect to me anyway. And then I'm using Tempting Turquoise, and this is the darker one, and so for sure start off and come on the page, but this will give you the darker clouds more. So that's, and when it's how you want it like that, I'm good with it. That was so easy, simple. So here's the background. So super easy, right? Yep. So for more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.